Alright, y'all, so I just washed my hair with that shampoo, and to be honest, it's kind of crazy. Now, I did use that Nourish, that Soul Food shampoo, deep conditioner yesterday, so it had my hair soft already, but that shampoo, it felt like it was like a moisturizing shampoo. It said it's cleansing, but it really made my hair feel like very moisturized, so that's nice to start it. So I realized I have both of these. I have the one that is the smoothing system, which the smoothing system is, and then I also have, this is the straightening system. So this is an alternative to chemical straighteners. I had bought this one by itself just on a whim. I didn't get the whole full set. I didn't realize that you had to use it like all together. I just thought it was like a deep conditioner or a leave-in conditioner, which it is, but you're supposed to use it all together. So I bought the rest of the kit because I had a client who was wanting to do some kind of straightening service, but she didn't want to do a relaxer. And I had heard about this. And then I have another client. I do her son's hair, and I've done her hair one time. She's also a stylist. And so she was telling me, like when I was doing her hair one time for an event, she was letting me know that she had the STS on her hair. And she works out all the time. So like for her, I know that it has to work because she literally works out like almost every day. So, and her hair is straight. It's always straight. So I bought the second half, which is this is the straightening system, or the straightening one. So I'm not going to use this one. I'm going to use the damage recovery anti-breakage, the smoothing system, and see how that like helps me manage my hair. So for this one, it's a strengthening treatment. It prevents shedding, breakage, split ends, heat damage, thinning hair, brittle hair for all types of hair textures. Can be used on fine hair and gray hair. It said to break. It says spray treatment on, but do not saturate. It says for best results, split your hair in fours. My hair is already kind of in half anyway from how I styled it after I washed it. So I'm gonna do what it says. Alright, so like I said, I'm gonna do this first part. It said spray but don't saturate. So let's do it. So I'm gonna brush this through my hair just to make sure I get it kind of throughout everything. I can get it kind of spread out. It's already making my hair detangle really easily. I know I need to clip my ends, which is what I'm gonna do when I have my hair straight. Cause you have to blow it out and put the sealant and then blow dry it and stuff. So it already got my hair feeling better, I ain't gonna lie. So I'm on my next section, and I just got this Denman brush. It's the Denman paddle brush. I should have got this a long time ago. It detangled my hair so easy. And it said to like help with blow drying as well, like to speed up blow drying. But this thing is the truth. Like it was like 30 bucks, but they have 15% off in the store, so I got a little bit off on it. It's really worth it. Like I almost would pay the normal price for it, because honestly I would pay the normal price because this is a good ass brush. And the teeth, like they give, but they're not so wiggly like a normal paddle brush. They like have a little bit of like firmness to them, and so like you hit them with hit your scalp with this thing, baby. She's the truth. She's the truth. So I will be truthful. I feel like the product is also helping me detangle, but I just started on this side, so let me show y'all how like quickly it got my shit detangled. Also, this is a good way to detangle your hair if like you got kids or whatever and they cry when they get their hair done. Like nobody cries, nobody has any adverse reactions when I detangle their hair, because I do this. Hold that hair, hold it. Get them ends and work your way up. That might be alright. That seems like it's kind of a bit regular. Alright, I let this sit for a little bit. I don't know if you're supposed to do that. It say that on the other one, but not on this one. But who cares? So now it's time for the second part. Now you're supposed to use a powder brush with this, but it's kind of awkward using a powder. Well, I might try to use a powder brush, but I don't know.
I was like, I
So
gave this
all blow
one
dried
my
out.
phone. Damn.
STS, man.
Knowing the work of it.
All blow dried out. Now I gotta straighten it. Last step. Straighten it. That's just silky, nigga. It's silky, baby. Ooh, I can see what I'm doing. Put my glasses on. I can really see.